Hello guys! Today I will show you how to turn this portrait into this semi-realistic art. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create semi-realistic art all by yourself. This is the reference photo I will be using for today's tutorial. If you don't know how to put a reference photo over your drawing like this, it's very simple. Just click on the wrench icon, then click on Canvas, and turn on the reference photo to import one. You can download all the brushes I'm using in this tutorial and this line art for free. Okay, let's begin. So first step is to put the flat basic color in. So click on the brushes icon. I'm here using the hard brush to do that. You can find it in the air brushes. Long click on the reference photo to grab the mid-tone color of the skin and start filling in like that. Remember, this tutorial is made more for beginners. That's why we are color grabbing from the reference. But by experience, you will know how to choose colors by yourself. Now create another layer for the clothes and pick a different color for it. And we will do the same process for the hand. Now it's time for the coloring process. We will start with the face, so go to the face layer, click on it, and select Alpha Lock. Alpha Lock lets you paint or smudge only inside that area. Let's go to the reference photo again and grab the skin colors from it. Start putting each color in the same place you see in the photo. I'm using the hard brush again for this. You don't have to pick each single color, of course. The most important colors you need are the mid-tone colors, the shadow colors, and the highlight colors. Dark colors are for shadows, and the bright colors are for light. Keep doing that until you fill the whole face. Now as we finish, let's start cleaning up the drawing a little bit. Grab the eraser tool and start to clean up the drawing. I'm using here the soft brush for this. Now we will do the same coloring process we did for the face for the clothes. And now for the hands. Now that we have the colors in, let's clean up the hands. Okay, so now as we have finished putting in all the colors, it's time for blending. I will be explaining how to blend in part 2. Blending is the most important part. Don't forget to subscribe to get all the updates.